Hey everyone, friends on the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to connect Boosteroid to Epic Games and Games. Well, connect Epic Games to Boosteroid. So for this, we'll need to download Boosteroid itself. To do this, go to your account, Applications, Download for Windows, install the program, and open Boosteroid. Here we'll need to log into the account. And as you can see, you can choose the Epic Games Store platform. All the games you have in Epic Games, you'll be able to play. For example, I have Fortnite and Rocket League. So this way you can play. You just need to log in with your Epic Games account. To do this, just click play and log into your Epic Games account. Click OK, and after logging in, you can play freely. That's it. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.